Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, Bridget and I are going to make a super easy Instant Pot or non-Instant Pot chili recipe. Yeah, this one's great whether you're you're getting ready for the ball game, or you just want to utilize some ingredients that you already have available to you. This one's good to go. All right, so the first ingredient we have is 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. All the ingredients, the beans will be cooked in this recipe. So if you have non-cooked ones, you're gonna wanna cook them and or adjust quite a bit with the liquid, but we're not gonna get into that right now. This is gonna be super simple, super easy. Yeah, 3 cups of chickpeas. Bridget, would you like a chickpea? There you go. And we are going to do 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6. We're gonna do 6 or 7 cups of cooked black beans. Set that aside there. You can tell we're just trying to use up some leftovers. So if you only have 5 cups of black beans, I think you're gonna be all right. All right, we have those in there. Next, we're gonna add some more of our wet ingredients. This is some pickled peppers or some diced peppers. You could use diced jalapenos or diced chili peppers. You can normally find them there. We're gonna add a tablespoon, right? And then we've got some hot sauce. Now, don't use hot sauce if you don't want to, or you can use some hot sauce. Go as heavy as you'd like. This is a very spicy one, so we're only gonna use maybe 2 teaspoons. Nice and spicy. All right. And then we're gonna add some liquid smoke in there, just a dash or 2. Not too much or else it'll taste very smoky. All right, now our dry ingredients, Bridget, we're going to have, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And this is our homemade onion powder from onions we grow here on the farm. You can't buy that in stores. All right, so garlic powder. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. It'll be 1, 2. If you love garlic, go a little heavier on the garlic. That's okay. And then our chili powder. Uh-oh. It's a new thing of chili powder, Bridget. No pressure. Hey, we got it. All right. The chili powder, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of chili powder. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty accurate. Dr. Miller's back there. I mean, I don't know how you can get more accurate than that. And then our nutritional yeast. This will add a little bit of a cheesy flavor to it. We're going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. And we forgot one thing, Bridget. Let's see if we can find it quick. Oh boy. Cumin. We may be out of cumin.
No.
No? Dr. Miller! Don't worry about it.
There it is.
All right, we found some cumin. We're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin. Okay, that came out very lightly, so don't think I put a lot in there. You can see we've got our spices in there. Now we're gonna add some salt. This is optional. If you don't do salt, don't use it. But we're gonna add somewhere around a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of a high quality salt. That's sea salt. And then black pepper, we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of black pepper in there. Pretty good there. All right, liquid. What we really want is enough liquid to cover all of the beans and to soak up all those spices. If you like a thicker chili, don't use as much. If you like a looser chili, use more liquid here. I've got a half-gallon mason jar with about 6.5 cups of liquid, and we're gonna use 1, 2, hey, how about that? 6.5 cups of liquid, right about perfect. Give it a very good stir. And now here is where I'm gonna tell you some add-ins that you can throw in here. Throw in some cream corn, throw in some sweet corn, throw in some Butler soy curls. Add a kind of a chickeny almost bit to it. We're gonna add maybe half a cup of those soy curls in there. Those will soak up the liquid, add some good texture there. You don't have to use them. Dr. Miller's showing me some okra, it looks like. Is that okra? Bring it over here. I'm not gonna add any in because this is for we're gonna be sharing this. But we dry okra, we dehydrate okra, and that is a wonderful addition to soups, chilies, pasta dishes, but I'm just not gonna use that now. So you could add jalapenos in there, although we did add some pickled peppers already, or some canned peppers, some peppers already. Now, here's how you can cook it. If you have a stovetop and nothing else, you can cook it for 30 minutes on a medium to high setting. It's gonna be perfect. You could also do it on the stovetop on a low setting, cook it for a couple of hours. If you have an Instant Pot, you could cook it quickly for 15 to 20 minutes on the pressure cook setting, or you could put it on the slow cooker setting on your Instant Pot and cook it that way. What we're going to do is I'm actually going to cook it for about 20 minutes in the Instant Pot, and then if it needs to kind of simmer some more, it certainly can. You really can be loose with the cooking of this because everything's already cooked. So go ahead and have some fun with it. We'll be back in a few minutes, in a few seconds for you to try the recipe. All right, let's get to cooking it. Woo! Well, hello everyone. We're back in the kitchen. Our chili is done. Our chickpea chili is done. It smells absolutely fantastic. We just popped the top off. You can see it's still wafting some great aroma. This is a bit of a looser chili, it's gonna be more of a soupy consistency. So I did want to mention, if you see that and you say, oh my gosh, I like a thick chili, Gabriel, what did you do? A couple things you can do. Really simply, throw in a can or half a can of refried beans. Really easy, really simple. It'll thicken it right up. Or you could take an immersion blender, a stick blender, and just pop it in there for a few seconds until you get a little bit of that starchiness broken down from those beans. It'll thicken the soup up as well. We like to use it just like this because we'll put this over some cornbread, we'll put it over baked potato, we will put it over rice, we'll put it over pasta. I mean, we will do a lot of different things. So it being having extra liquid, not that big of a concern to us, but if it is to you, that's all right. Here is a dish I just made up so that I can keep it away from baby Bridget there, but you can see there, we got the soy curls cooked in there nicely, the chickpeas, the black beans. It looks quite delicious. I'm gonna give it a bite and then I'll let you have a bite, all right? You're not gonna like it that I take a bite first, huh? That is fantastic. Bridget, let's get you a black bean and a chickpea. Yeah. Let me blow it off first. Well, a chickpea, because we lost a black bean. All right, there you go. You ready? The good stuff? That is finger licking good. Again, a really simple chili recipe. You can add in some other your favorite ingredients. You don't have to just keep to the script like we did on our recipe. But enjoy it. Like I said, you can always stick it up there nice and easily. Goes great on cornbread. Speaking of cornbread, we just made a big batch. Check that video out. We'll leave the link in the comment or the description and above there so you can check out our easy cornbread recipe. But Bridget, you just want some more beans, don't you? Are you saying bye? Well, we're not gonna say bye-bye yet. Hey, check out plantbasedgabriel.com/shop. We've got some great t-shirts there. You can always support us that way. The best way to support us though is to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your family and friends so that like and subscribe and share the videos. But that's a great way to get our content out there and to help a lot of people. Bridget, you want a bean for the road here? Bean. You ready? You want to take a bite? All right. Well, if it's good enough for Bridget, it's good enough for you. It's good enough for me. It's good enough for everyone. All right, everyone. We love you, and we'll see you in another video soon. You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye.